In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating magnifying effect using Canva in just a few simple steps. Canva is a versatile design tool that allows you to add interesting visual elements to your projects. This magnifying effect is a great way to highlight details or bring focus to important parts of your design. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. To start off, open your Canva project. Once your project is loaded, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Elements. This is where a lot of Canva's magic happens, so go ahead and click on it. What we're looking for is a tool that can help us create that striking magnified look to draw attention in your project. Now, within the extensive list of options inside the Elements section, you'll want to keep an eye out for the Frame option. Frames in Canva act as placeholders, and for our purpose, we'll focus on selecting a circle frame. Think of this frame as your magnifying glass. It will emphasize the part of your design that you want to stand out. Once you've found the circle frame, click on it to add it to your design canvas. Next, you may need to resize the circle frame to fit the specific area you wish to highlight in your design. Resizing is an intuitive process. Just click and drag the corners of the frame until it's just right, adjusting to the perfect magnification size that you have in mind. After positioning your frame, you'll need to connect the area outside of it to the frame itself, which helps underline what's being magnified. To do this, head back to the Elements panel and type Shapes in the search bar. Look specifically for a simple line shape. This will act as the connection between your frame and the spot you're focusing on. Once you've located the line, add it to your page and carefully position it so that it points towards the circle frame, linking directly to the area you want to highlight. With your frame and connecting line all set up, it's time to bring in the content. Choose the image you wish to magnify and simply drag and drop it into the circle frame. One of the great features of Canva frames is that when you drop an image in, it automatically fills the frame for you. Here comes the fun part. Double-click on the image inside the frame to unlock an adjustment mode. This is where you can move the image around within the frame, lining it up perfectly with the exact part of the image you want to emphasize under the magnifying glass. Take your time to get everything lined up just right, and there you have it. Your image is now magnificently highlighted, adding a special touch to your design. Whether it's for a professional presentation or a creative project, this technique can help enhance your work by drawing attention to important details in a visually appealing way. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial inspires you to explore more creative possibilities with Canva. Remember to experiment and enjoy your creative journey.